दिलों में तुम अपनी बेताबियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम। नजर में ख्वाबों की बिजलियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम। हवा के झोंकों के जैसे आजाद रहना सीखो। तुम एक दरिया के जैसे लहरों में बहना सीखो। हर एक लम्हे से तुम मिलो, खोले अपनी बाहें। हर एक पल एक नया समा, देखें ये निगाहें।
गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। देखिए हमारा व्यू लॉक है। यहाँ आके ना हम अर्ली राइजर्स बन गए हैं, है ना?
ऑप्शन नहीं है।
यार रोज 7 बजे उठ रहे हैं यार।
बस आज का लास्ट दिन, टेक्निकल एक्चुअली कल का लास्ट दिन, फिर
कल क्या
परसों
है
से
सुबह? अरे कल तो
9 o'clock को हमें निकलना है कल।
यार यहाँ सेंटीपीड्स बहुत ज़्यादा ही है। See? बहुत ज़्यादा है। सो कल हमने यहाँ पे एक स्कूटी रेंट किया था और उसी से हम सब जगह घूम रहे थे, तो अभी भी वही कंटिन्यू करने वाला है। एंड येस्टरडे तो वी जस्ट एक्सप्लोर्ड। हम 2-3 जगह पे डॉज करके गए थे, बैठे, खाया, मूवी देखा कल रात को हमने। या बट आई थिंक यहाँ पे हर दूसरे स्पॉट पे मूवी स्क्रीनिंग्स हो रहे थे, तो बस एक में बैठ गए थे और कुछ वन मूवी भी कंप्लीटेड। वन का हमने एंड देखा,
वन भी इनकम्प्लीट,
तो बाकी था।
आपको फिर थकान हुई?
नहीं यार, मेरे को कुछ ना कुछ काट रहा था यार वहाँ पे। सैंड का वो एलर्जी हो गया था थोड़ा पैर पे। सो वी केम बैक। सो नाउ वी आर बेसिकली गोइंग फॉर स्कूबा। प्रियम ने ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है स्कूबा डाइविंग। कितनी बार? वंस। या एंड दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट स्कूबा डाइविंग, सो आई एम एक्साइटेड। तो बस अभी हम जाएंगे और पहले तो ट्रेनिंग होगा एक पूल में, एंड देन वी विल गो अहेड। सो लेट्स सी, दिखाते हैं आपको हमारा एक्सपीरियंस। आई डोंट थिंक ज़्यादा व्लॉग होगा स्कूबा का,
But show them when we go inside the
that
boat and stuff.
yeah, we'll take you along with us, but I don't know if we can take you inside.
I mean, eventually we'll get a video or something if it is included, and that time we can show it to them.
Yes. See you all.
Bye.
Bye. सो प्रियम ये देख के बहुत खुश होने वाला है, क्योंकि इतने दिन से हमें ना एक फिक्स्ड मेन्यू पे खाना पड़ रहा था, उसमें से हमें चूज़ करना था एक आइटम। एंड टुडे वी हैव लाइक अ होल buffet. So Priyam, today we have a buffet. We have chocolate milk.
So let's talk more into it. What are we waiting for? We don't have much.
Yes. क्रेजी। यहाँ इतने दिन में फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने जैन फूड देखा है और उसके नाम पे सब्जियाँ ही रखी है, बट ठीक है कुछ तो, मतलब जैन स्पेसिफिक। दिस उपमा, दिस सांबार के नाम पे पता नहीं क्या, बट सांबार। दिस पराठा, नाइस। I don't think this is for us because इसमें egg होता है।
Shreya and her confusion begins. इतना सारा ऑप्शन है फिर भी she doesn't know उसको क्या चाहिए. Donuts. Meet the confused soul. You can actually have this, Shreya. It'd be great. And then she ended up having exactly what I did.
Copycat.
You are one. Let's go.
Example, like you can swim on the ocean if you wearing like a life jacket, so you just float on the surface. Okay. But this one, we can have like three kind of buoyance. Okay. Like DC, like control our buoyancy, like buoyancy control. Okay. So control our buoyancy. Okay. So we will have like three kind of buoyance. Positive buoyance. So we're gonna always floating on the surface if you put air inside the jacket. So later on we have two buttons here for pumping the jacket and then for release the air. Okay. So when you are release the air out from the jacket, like make it empty, so our body will gonna sink like automatically down under the water. That means we have like a negative buoyancy. So when you have a negative buoyancy, you're gonna go down. Later on, we're gonna have like a weight to make our body like a negative buoyancy. Yeah. And the last is natural buoyancy. That means you are not float on the surface, okay, or you not sink on the ground. You just like a natural on the middle, look like a fly. Okay, look like fly, look like astronaut. Okay. So yeah, three kind of buoyancy. Positive buoyancy, negative, you have two bar pressure already. Okay? But already like 5 meter example, you have 1.5. 9 meter, you have 1.9. Okay? So that means every time you're going down, you have more and more pressure. That's why we are not recommend you guys going down faster because you don't have time for solve the problem.
What's up? Hi Priyam, excited?
Yes, super excited.
We're all set, we've got our gears.
Yes, we have. Look at Shreya. Guys.
अब मैं मछली डालूंगी.
I think I forgot my. Sorry.
My name is Fandi. Yeah, this is Rahman. Hi Rahman.
Hello. So they're gonna guide us, instruct us. So you're coming with us?
I'm excited.
Yes. This is my first dive.
Good.
Priyam, yours is second.
Second.
How excited are you?
I'm super excited. Water's always fun. It's always fun. Oh, they've got ambulance in this town.
So कुछ हुआ तो. So we are going for our trial in the pool, like the pool trials. कैसा लग रहा है यार? अभी इस पे और सिलेंडर भी आएगा वो. Yeah.
Right guys, so see, Shreya is also ready. I don't know what she's trying to do with her fins and her masks, but she's enjoying her time. We've got the gears ready. I'm wondering how Shreya is going to be able to take the cylinder as well. But ठीक है, पानी में तो possible है.
हिसाब से तो मेरे को ना मैं ऐसे ही नीचे ही चली जाऊंगी
That's called gravity.
क्योंकि मैं बहुत भारी हूँ ना.
That's true.
So I'll be like एक मछली पानी में गई.
Chapak.
छपा.
Yes, but it's going to be super fun, guys. Those two gentlemen are going to be with us and they're going to teach us how to do the dive and stuff like that.
But I think like during snorkeling, the first like 1-2 minutes was very difficult for me.
It's okay.
Because the salt water went inside, I wasn't able to breathe, so I was
Yeah.
stuck.
65 ya. Sama saya 2. Kasih dia 5 ini.
How heavy is it?
Okay, great. And then you? What is it, Shreya? अभी श्रेया लगा रही है वेट्स. मुझे तो पता. अच्छा, ये रहे पीछे है, देख सकते हैं आप. एंड कैसा फीलिंग है श्रेया?
भारी है.
बहुत ज़्यादा कि ओके ओके?
Okay. But it's heavy.
हम थोड़ी देर में जाने वाले हैं पूल में फॉर टेस्ट रन्स. इनको देखिए.
Yeah. Okay. So imagine we dive and then there's water inside the regulator.
Okay.
So you can clean underwater without go to the surface. However, there is 2 options. Yeah. First, you can blow out if you have air in your lung. Yeah. Second method, just do it. Yeah? You can press, yeah, and then inhale, yeah. So look like this, yeah. I try to remove my regulator underwater, yeah. Look. When you're ready to remove, inhale, right? Remove, small bubble. After that, put back in your mouth. And then inhale again. Okay? When you remove from your regulator from your mouth, not like this. They will free flow. No. Remove and then face down. Okay? Use your right hand. Okay? I do the skill first. Yeah? I will do the skill first. Watch me. Don't do anything. Yeah? After I finish, I will give you 10. If you do well, you shake hands. If not, I will ask you to repeat.
Okay.
Clear? We do kneeling.
Okay.
Wow.
With this?
Yes. Go down, put your regulator on, and then down. And then go up. So now we're gonna practice some skills in the pool. Okay. Go up. Go down. Right? Yeah. And then first. Too slow. Look this. Huh? Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale deeply. When you're ready, just remove. Then look. Pardon? Water. Yeah, after you clean it, you can exhale. Alright. So, under the water, we can speak. Okay? So, we're gonna do hand sign or hand signal for communication. Please always communicate.
Rambut niyo po.
Okay, or you have a problem. First, you have to answer the question. Are you okay? If
अरे
you
वजह हेल्प करी काय ऑफ करायला जाय तू लेवा रे अरे पेला अंदर का प्रेस कर और जोड़ दी अरे
answer the question.
lu gairu ani gairu ana aram कर ओके.
So यहाँ पे हमारी ट्रेनिंग हुई And now we'll be taken to
Kemudian
the
ini
beach. There.
caranya.
फिर वहाँ से एक बोट में थोड़ा अंदर जाएंगे.
Ya, kalau penjajah
हम लोग साइकिलिंग कर रहे हैं फिलहाल.
jadi kita harus kontrol pelan-pelan sedikit
मैं तो ट्रेनिंग में ही थक गई
sampai
यार.
kita tarik 2 napas.
सच्ची इधर ही डाल दो मछली.
Nggak boleh
देख
lama-lama.
लेंगे
Ya,
क्या हो
ya,
रहा है.
ya, segini aja.
It was fun.
Tapi
It
pelan-pelan
was
kita
fun,
harus
but
sabar nunggu sampai benar-benar sedikit demi sedikit. Kalau kita
बहुत easy था.
begini,
It
वो
could be
पानी
ऐसा.
जा रहा है
udah tiba-tiba di atas.
नाक में जा
अभी
रहा
नया
है.
मास्क लेके आ रहा है ना वो तेरे लिए.
ऐसे ऐसे करके वो ट्रिक नहीं कर पा रही हूँ यार.
अरे but
इसमें
that
और
is
पानी
not a
जा रहा है.
compulsion. It's a worst case, worst scenario when a little water goes
But
in.
what if that worst case
Kita mulai ke atas, kita
So then you learn it. He'll be there to guide you step by step. There's one person for 2 people. So like you and me, and possibly like it's gonna be fine. He's gonna be there. He's gonna hold your hand and he's gonna walk you around. Don't worry. It's all gonna be good.
saat
भरोसा
tekanan
कर रही
semakin
हूँ
kecil,
मैं तुझे पे.
mau nggak udara akan
And वैसे भी अगर कुछ गलत हो गया तो तूने वहाँ पे वेवर साइन तो किया ही है. That if something happens, then you know no one is liable but you yourself.
kemudian dibiarkan
I don't know you.
You just signed the waiver over there.
So why do you want the worst case to happen?
No, I'm just highlighting the uncertainties.
pelan-pelan.
डर लग रहा है
किसको मुझे?
मुझे.
हाँ, that's fine.
Dan tahan
ए
secepat mungkin.
इसको तो चाहिए ही. मैं उधर घूम जाऊं पानी में नीचे कहीं.
नहीं तेरे को शार्क लेके जाए. That's what I want.
बेचारी मर नहीं जाएगी.
इसीलिए I want to see now who wins between a shark and Shreya.
Uang itu untuk
Two. छोड़ ही देवा देगा क्या लेके वो काम है.
इस बोट में हमें लेके जाएंगे. मछलो मारो.
kamu cari motor nanti lah. Your right hand hold your mask and your regulator. Just turn your body to the back. Okay? Ready? Hold your mask. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
So good. Sudah. मैं आ गई अंदर बिकॉज मुझसे नहीं हो रहा था जाना. मैंने पूरा ट्राई किया दैट आई गो बट आई जस्ट कुडंट लीव द सरफेस. वो जो जाते ही वो जो प्रेशर आ रहा था ना पानी का, उससे थोड़ा पानी ऑलरेडी मेरे वो आई मास्क पे चला गया था एंड देन आई ट्राइड टू काइंड ऑफ रिमूव इट विद द टेक्निक दे थॉट पर उससे और अंदर चला गया एंड देन आई गॉट पैनिक सो आई जस्ट कुडंट गो डाउन क्योंकि वो एक तो ये सॉल्टी वाटर है तो मेरे को जम ही नहीं रहा था एंड प्रियम इज़ डाउन देयर समवेयर एंजॉयिंग हिज स्कूबा डाइव मैं स्नॉर्कलिंग में ही खुश थी यहाँ पे भी आके आई barely went like थोड़ा down but I just couldn't manage so I had to come up I'm the only one right now कोई नहीं है सबने मैनेज किया but just couldn't भयंकर मजाक उड़ाने वाला है प्रिया माँ के मेरा all day it's gonna be Shreya day क्या कर रही हूँ मैं ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं पानी से डरती हूँ यार मेरे को स्विमिंग नहीं आती है मैं बिना गियर की स्विम करके आई वापस ऊपर बट यार मुझे नहीं हुआ नीचे जाने हाय
He's super cool underwater.
Water baby.
Huh? And Bali. You want to try it?
I asked him if I can, but you were not there.
You can try it if you want.
Can I use her, Selena? If she doesn't want to do it? Why don't you want to do it?
I wanted to, but you guys were like down.
Okay, take her along, take her along.
Yeah.
Go. Where is Selena? I wish you came with me only.
Sis, doing good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you want to still be in?
Oh, we can go?
You want to go again?
We can?
Yeah, but can I see your hair?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, maybe around 10 minutes.
Alright, have fun. So finally guys, Shreya is going down. She's already gone once, now she wants to do it again. She's enjoying it. I was not recording all this while.
That's you.
What an idiot. I thought I was recording all of it. How was it?
It was nice.
Did you finally do it?
Yeah.
Did you see the sharks?
I didn't see sharks, but it's okay. I at least did it.
Yeah. Not bad for the first start.
Yeah.
Good job. High five.
I went for the second time and thank God I went without you.
Why?
I was very conscious when you were there now because I was feeling
Well,
you were going very easily and then I was
yeah, so I was not doing shit to make you feel conscious. I was just being me because I know how to dive.
yeah, but I was just feeling you are able to go and I'm not able to go.
But that also has to do with weight, no Shreya? I had more weights on me, the weight
No,
thing.
that's not the thing.
No, I had these, what are those called? The weight bars, right? I
I
had more
wasn't
of
able
them.
to take the pressure. Like even after a point, after going down, at some point I had to wait because I couldn't release my air pressure.
Okay, fair enough. But every time you felt, he told you that go 1 up meter, do this. That's the reason I left you. I left everyone and I did it on my own so that I know if I'm able to do it or not. And then I was able to literally dive by myself. No one was stopping me. Look at the hair.
Yeah. It is the first time.
It was so fun. Not my first, her first, but yeah, we still did it. It was crazy. She's super hungry. इसकी शक्ल देखिए. And वो अभी भी अपना कर रहे हैं. And मैं यहाँ पे chill कर रहा हूँ guys.
ઓર્ડર દેશે તો આવશે ને ખાવાનું 40 મિનિટ ઓર્ડર આપતા લગાડે છે 40 મિનિટ લાવતા લગાડશે અને ખાવાનું ખતમ થઈ જશે વિધિન
5 minutes.
યા